A federal judge temporarily blocked the Trump administration from enforcing its new prison policy that would require transgender inmates to be housed based on their assigned sex rather than their gender identity.
It will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
U.S. District Judge Royce Lamberth issued an 11-page ruling granting a temporary restraining order in favor of 3 transgender inmates who are housed in women's federal prisons. The ruling prevents prison officials from transferring them to men's facilities or restricting their access to medical care while the legal challenge moves forward. The policy, enacted through an executive order, mandates that transgender inmates be housed in facilities that correspond to their biological sex. It also bars the Federal Bureau of Prisons from providing gender-related treatments. 3 transgender inmates argued in their lawsuit that the policy violates constitutional protections against sex-based discrimination and subjects them to cruel and unusual punishment by placing them at increased risk of violence and sexual assault. Judge Lamberth agreed the inmates could face significant harm if transferred and wrote that they are likely to succeed in their claim that the policy violates the 8th Amendment's prohibition on cruel and unusual punishment. The Justice Department urged against moving forward with the restraining order, arguing the case was still in its early stages and that the inmates had not been moved. Roughly 2,230 transgender inmates are in facilities that correspond to their biological sex, according to the Justice Department.